Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could easily fix the WhatsApp voice messages problem. So if you can't send messages on WhatsApp, so then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, simply open up your Google Play Store or App Store. At the bottom, you will get the search bar icon. Simply tap on that. At the top in the search bar, simply search for WhatsApp. Here you have to make sure that you are using the up-to-date version of the WhatsApp. Once you are updated the app, simply go back, head towards the settings. In the settings, scroll down a little bit and you will get the option of apps. Simply tap on that. From the apps, you have to find the WhatsApp. And from the WhatsApp information page, you will get the option of storage and cache. Simply head towards that. Here you have to simply clear out the storage and cache for WhatsApp, and after that your issue would be resolved. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video.